Alright, guys. Alright. Oh, sorry for the soft friends. I kind of broke my headset, so. Bring this along with it. Alright guys, so this is what you'll get after Alright guys, people leave out doors. Like it's not a part of the car or something. I try to just wipe her, you know. Come up, come down. And not only them parts, but all right here, water. I try to wipe down all of that. Close that up, come to the back. Same thing. Gotta do some interior cleaning up. You know, you got kids, stuff like that, you know, milk. Filthy. Filthy. He right here with me. He right here with me. The car dirty. I had a wash. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see all that. Yeah, we're gonna go get her washed.